Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at the events that we feel will move the markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. On Monday, we'll be starting not in the trade room, but we'll just be looking at the Australian NAB Business Confidence Report at 8:30 p.m. on Monday. Tuesday, we'll be looking at a British report at 3 in the morning, their claimant count report, which is their jobs report. Our first trade room of the week is Tuesday morning at 8 o'clock for a very important report, the core CPI. It's also our stream of the week. And then at 4 p.m., we'll be back in the room for the API crude oil report. 10 o'clock Tuesday evening, we'll be watching the Chinese retail, industrial production, and their unemployment report. Wednesday, back in the trade room for a very important collection of reports, PPI, retail sales, and Empire Manufacturing. Back in the room at 10 o'clock on Wednesday for crude oil inventories, and then finally Wednesday evening at 8:15 for a short room for Australia's job report. Thursday at 8 o'clock, we'll be in the room for building permits, housing starts, unemployment claims, and Philly Fed. That's an 8:30 scheduled event. And then at 9:15, we're expecting the ECB main refi rate will be in the same trade room as the building permits room. And then we'll be back at 10 o'clock for the natural gas storage report. Friday, we'll start at 8:45 for capacity utilization, and we'll finish out the room for preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Also starting 8:45, we'll stay in the room for both events. I hope you enjoyed this video. Every week we like to bring you the events that we feel will give us the greatest opportunity for profit. So definitely sign up for our free weekly schedule at www.10minutetrades.com. Take care everyone, and I'll see you in the trade room.